Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper trending on X, published on March 3, 2026, just 6 days ago. It introduces a novel architecture that successfully scales high-fidelity 3D reconstruction to extremely long video sequences, reducing absolute trajectory error by over 74% compared to prior feed-forward methods. The paper is titled LoGeR, Long Context Geometric Reconstruction with Hybrid Memory. And as we'll see later, the model shows some really impressive results, with significant implications for applications like robotics and generative world building. Alright, Figure 1 visualizes both the core methodology and a striking comparison on a 2.1 kilometer video of the Roman Colosseum. To handle such long sequences efficiently, the method processes the input in discrete chunks. It uses a hybrid memory module where sliding window attention preserves uncompressed context for precise local alignment. Meanwhile, test time training uses network weights updated during the run to compress global context, which anchors the coordinate frame and prevents scale drift. Looking at the visual results, the proposed approach successfully reconstructs the complete circular structure. Conversely, prior methods on the right suffer massive structural distortions and fail to close the loop. Okay, Table 1 compares the architectural trade-offs that make this performance possible. Full attention models offer lossless context but scale poorly with a compute cost of order n squared, which limits their use for very long sequences. Other efficient methods either compromise on local details by compressing them, or they lack the global memory needed to prevent scale drift. The proposed hybrid memory module strikes a balance, achieving a linear compute cost of order n. At the same time, it preserves lossless local context for precise alignment and maintains compressed global context for structural consistency. Well, after Table 1 established the theoretical advantages, Figure 2 breaks down a single block of this hybrid memory module. The model processes the video stream in consecutive chunks. To ensure smooth transitions, a sliding window attention mechanism directly passes uncompressed, high-fidelity features from the previous chunk into the current one. Meanwhile, test time training layers manage the broader global context using a fast weight matrix, which is a flexible memory that adapts on the fly. By applying historical information and updating these weights continuously, this dual pathway ensures both precise local alignment and stable long-range consistency. So, with the architecture laid out, Table 2 puts the model to the test on the Kitty benchmark, comparing the absolute trajectory error across different sequences. The table is split into two main sections. The top block shows traditional optimization-based methods, while the bottom block details feed-forward approaches. Looking at the feed-forward results, the proposed model, LoGeR, and its variant with feed-forward pose alignment, LoGeR*, dramatically outperform previous baselines. In fact, LoGeR* drops the average error to under 19 meters, which is an impressive 74% reduction compared to the previous best feed-forward method. This performance even rivals the computationally heavier optimization-based systems, proving the efficiency and accuracy of the hybrid memory design. Alright. While Table 2 proved the model's accuracy on the Kitty benchmark, Figure 4 plots the trajectory error on the versus BR dataset, which features long sequences stretching up to 19,000 frames. As the input views increase along the x-axis, the absolute trajectory error naturally rises for all baselines. However, the proposed models, LoGeR and LoGeR*, consistently maintain the lowest error rates across the entire range. By the end of these sequences, a green arrow highlights that the new approach achieves a 31% relative improvement over the strongest prior method, proving the hybrid memory preserves structural integrity over massive horizons. Okay, after Figure 4 highlighted the impressive structural integrity on long sequences, Figure 10 visualizes exactly why both memory components are essential. The full LoGeR model on the left produces a clean, 3D room reconstruction. However, disabling the sliding window attention creates noticeable local misalignment artifacts, like the disjointed chairs circled in the middle panel. Furthermore, removing the test time training memory causes severe trajectory drift and blurring on the right, which confirms that both components are critical for maintaining overall consistency. Well, since the previous figure demonstrated the importance of both memory components visually, Table 6 provides the full quantitative breakdown on those extended versus BR sequences. The table lists the number of frames and physical scale for each sequence, with some stretching to nearly 19,000 frames across over 5 kilometers. The top block groups traditional optimization-based methods, while the feed-forward approaches sit below. In the bottom rows, the proposed models, LoGeR and LoGeR*, consistently secure the lowest average errors at under 5.5 meters. They not only beat prior feed-forward systems by a wide margin, but also surpass the heavier optimization-based methods, proving the robust consistency of the hybrid memory design. Wrapping up, this research demonstrates that a hybrid memory architecture effectively breaks the long context barrier in three-dimensional reconstruction. This scalable feed-forward approach eliminates the need for heavy offline optimization, opening exciting new doors for robotics and large-scale virtual world building. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.